The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5 is designed as a budget-friendly smart cleaning device. It offers a strong suction power, smart navigation, and app control, making it easy to schedule cleanings or control remotely. The vacuum can handle both hard floors or carpets, and its slim design helps it reach under furniture. Battery life is decent, giving you enough runtime for medium-sized homes, and it automatically returns to its dock when charging is needed. However, being an entry-level model, it lacks advanced features like LiDAR mapping or multi-floor memory that you'd find in higher-end Xiaomi vacuums. The E5 is a solid choice if you want affordable, app-controlled cleaning with good suction. But if you need advanced mapping or premium features, you may want to look at Xiaomi's higher tier models.